Hello everyone, and welcome to Centerspace's Maintenance in a Minute video. Today this tutorial is going to go over how to effectively place aluminum foil in the oven to collect splatters or chunks of food falling off your baking sheet. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a piece of aluminum foil that is bigger than your pan. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to place that aluminum foil on the bottom rack to collect anything that falls off the top. You're also going to want to make sure that there are 2 inches from each side in the front and back to allow adequate airflow inside the oven when it's running. So once you got that all set, you just got to take your sheet or whatever you're cooking with, place it on the top rack, try to center it over the aluminum foil as best you can. And I do want to say you want to make sure you're not putting any aluminum foil on the bottom of the stove. It could cause the bake element to prematurely burn out, or it could burn the aluminum foil into the bottom and you could have a sticky mess. So thanks everyone for watching. We hope this solved your problem. If it has not, please give us a call. We'd be happy to help.